If I were a bird, I wouldn't listen to a word. I'd just fly around, make bird sounds, take bird baths in the yard. 'Cause if I were a bird, if I were a bird, I could forget about you. If I were a cat, I wouldn't have taken that. I'd just stay mean, roll and preen, never lift a paw. 'Cause if I were a cat, if I were a cat, I could forget about you. And if I were a dog, I wouldn't have stayed so long. I'd find a new trail, chase my tail, bury old bones. 'Cause if I were a dog, if I were a dog, I could forget about you. But I am not a bird, I am not a cat, and I am not a dog. I'm just a man still in love with you, who wishes he could fly like a bird, roll like a cat, run like a dog. Back to you again. Yes, if I were a bird, if I were a cat, if I were a dog.